Kodiac Lock Sport.
Hey everybody, it's Lord Kodiak. I'm going to do the Shacklemen P1 challenge with a set of Peerless C cuffs. The idea behind the challenge is to put the cuffs on, holes up, bows down, and just do a simple task, and then take the key and finish your escape. Just something simple to start out. I'm just going to tie a shoe. I can't think of anything else to do that's simple, sad to say. So let's get started. Holes up, bows down. I'm under arrest, citizen's arrest. There we go. Take my shoe. Sorry for the vibration. Take my shoe, untie the laces, and tie it back. Simple task, but not as simple when you're wearing handcuffs naturally. There. Not perfect, but it'll stay on my foot. So let's just put that there. Now I need to take the key and finish the escape. There's the left side, and do the right side. And it is done. Just like that. Thank you Not Too Dead and Coccyx Picks for coming up with these challenges, and thank you SeeStuDo for starting the Peerless challenges. I look forward to doing the next one. Thanks.